everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family today. We are diving into the world of low-maintenance beauty by exploring how you can transform your yard with rocks and stones. An easy rock garden design is a landscaping approach that prioritizes the use of natural stones, rocks, and gravel as the primary structural elements, rather than heavy greenery or high-maintenance lawns. It is a form of xeriscaping or gardening that focuses on creating a rugged, organic look that mimics natural mountain slopes or desert plains. The easy part of the design refers to choosing materials and layouts that require minimal weeding, no mowing, and very little water. Essentially, it is the art of using the permanent, sculptural beauty of stone to create a year-round landscape that looks intentional and artistic without demanding constant upkeep. The benefits of incorporating a rock garden into your home are numerous, starting with incredible durability. Unlike traditional gardens that can wither in the heat or die off in the winter, stones remain beautiful in every season and weather condition. Beyond the aesthetic consistency, rock gardens are a massive time saver. You can say goodbye to the endless cycle of fertilizing, mowing, and edging. From an environmental standpoint, they are a win for sustainability because they significantly reduce water consumption, making them perfect for drought-prone areas. Additionally, rocks provide excellent drainage for your soil and can even help prevent erosion on sloped areas of your property, all while increasing your home's curb appeal and market value to make your rock garden look truly stunning. You should focus on the principles of contrast and texture. Start by mixing different sizes of stones. Use fine gravel or crushed rock as a base mulch, and then place larger feature boulders as focal points to create a sense of height and drama. Incorporating curved borders rather than straight lines will give your garden a more natural, flowing appearance that is pleasing to the eye. You can also play with color by choosing stones that complement your home's exterior. For instance, white quartz can brighten a shaded area, while dark lava rocks provide a sophisticated modern backdrop for bright plants. Adding decorative elements like a small water feature, weather-resistant lanterns, or a winding stone path will pull the entire look together, making it feel like a professional outdoor sanctuary. Choosing the right plants is the final step in softening the hard edges of your stones and adding a splash of life. The best candidates are succulent varieties like hens and chicks or sedum, which thrive in the heat-retaining environment that rocks provide. Ornamental grasses such as blue fescue add wonderful movement and a soft texture that contrasts beautifully against the solid rocks. For a pop of color, consider hardy perennials like creeping phlox or lavender, which are drought-tolerant and can tuck into the small crevices between stones. If you want a more structured look, dwarf conifers or Japanese maples work excellently as anchor plants because they grow slowly and maintain their shape, ensuring your garden stays easy and doesn't become overgrown. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here, these are the collection of the top 10 best easy rock garden design ideas to spark your creativity. 1. The Arctic White Garden Border. This design features a crisp bed of white marble chips that instantly brightens the front of the home. By using a clean black garden edge, the white stones pop against the green lawn, while a few well-placed dark foliage shrubs provide a sophisticated color contrast that looks modern and expensive. 2. The Crimson Zin Island. A stunning example of texture. This idea uses a deep red mulch or lava rock base to highlight a centerpiece Japanese maple. The garden is outlined with large, smooth river cobbles that snake through the design, creating a dry creek feel that guides the eye toward the home's entrance. 3. The Escurve Pebble Mosaic. This creative path uses 3 distinct colors of graveltan, gray, and white to create a flowing, wavy pattern. A central white-tiered fountain acts as the focal point, surrounded by lush green hostas and succulents that thrive amidst the cool stones. 4. Geometric circle rock beds for a clean and organized look. This design uses gray stone pavers to create perfect circles around young trees and shrubs. The area inside the circles is filled with a mixture of gray and white pebbles, preventing weeds and creating a polished, professional landscape along the sidewalk. 5. High contrast Yangyang waves. This bold design uses dark charcoal gravel and bright white pebbles to create interlocking wave patterns across the yard. Large accent boulders are placed strategically to add a 3D element, making the entire garden look like a piece of contemporary art. 6. The swirling stone feature. Utilizing flexible landscape edging, this idea creates a spiral or S shape, filled with white quartz stones set against a dark volcanic rock background. It's an excellent way to dress up a single tree or bush, turning a simple planting into a major decorative feature. 7. Multitonal lava rock bed. This front yard garden uses a base of rich red lava rock to provide a warm, earthy feel. White pebble edging creates a shoreline effect against the grass, while clusters of flowering perennials and small evergreens provide various heights and pops of bright pink color. 8. Minimalist boxwood and quartz border. Simplicity is key in this design, which features neat, round boxwood shrubs planted in a long bed of pure white stones. The uniform color of the rocks makes the deep green of the shrubs look incredibly vibrant, perfect for a clean, upscale curb appeal. 9. Traditional Japanese Zen rock garden. A masterpiece of tranquility, this design uses fine white sand or gravel raked into circular patterns around large island rocks covered in moss. It's the ultimate low-maintenance design that invites meditation and brings a sense of peace to any backyard space. 10. Red slate stepping stone path. This functional and beautiful idea uses large, flat red slate pavers nestled into a bed of smooth tan river rocks, flanked by lush tropical-style greenery. This path creates a sturdy walkway that stays mud-free and looks beautiful even when the plants aren't in bloom. 11. The Zen Temple Courtyard. This design captures the essence of a traditional Japanese karasansui garden. It features a vast expanse of meticulously raked white gravel that symbolizes flowing water, punctuated by large, weathered standing stones that represent islands or mountains. This look is perfect for a side yard or a quiet corner of the home where you want to emphasize architectural lines and a sense of meditative stillness. 12. The wavy quartz estate border. For homeowners with a large lawn, this design uses a deeply undulating wave edge to separate the turf from a thick bed of brilliant white quartz. By following the natural curves of the home's foundation and wrapping around existing trees, the rock bed acts as a bright frame that highlights manicured shrubbery and adds a high-end, clean aesthetic to the property. 13. Tropical oasis. With white pebble inlay, this idea combines the lushness of tropical plants like cacti and flowering bushes with the stark, clean look of white river pebbles. The white stones are used as a decorative ground cover around a small water feature and garden lighting, ensuring that the vibrant greens and reds of the foliage stand out even more against the bright, textured floor. 14. Modern desert entryway. A stunning example of xeriscaping, this design features wide concrete steps with built-in planters for golden barrel cacti. The surrounding area is filled with a uniform tan pea gravel that blends seamlessly with the desert environment, while architectural agave plants provide a sharp, geometric contrast against the smooth white walls. Whether you are looking for the minimalist piece of a Zen courtyard or the vibrant colors of an alpine rockery, these designs prove that you don't need a green thumb to have a world-class garden. Using rocks as your primary decor allows the natural beauty of your home's architecture to shine while giving you back your weekends. It's about working with nature rather than against it, to create a space that is as durable as it is beautiful. If these designs inspired you to rethink your landscaping, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs. We love hearing from our community, so drop a comment below and tell us, are you a fan of the bright white quartz look, or do you prefer the natural earthy tones of desert gravel? Click the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into beautiful home exteriors. Thanks for watching and happy decorating.